Oracle Treasury Online Training. Introduction to Oracle Treasury. Oracle Treasury is an enterprise treasury solution that enables you to effectively control and manage your cash flows, your foreign exchange and money market deals, and your overall risks. It offers comprehensive bank relationship management and settlement features. It also offers flexible position reporting. Oracle Treasury is a combined part of the Oracle eBusiness Suite. Designed to complement Oracle Cash Management and Oracle Risk Management position analysis ad hoc reporting tools, Oracle Treasury provides you visibility and control of all your enterprise-wide cash flows, operational financial exposures, and financial instruments. Oracle Treasury is a comprehensive enterprise treasury management solution. Cash management. Oracle Treasury helps organizations manage their domestic and international cash flows, bank relationships, electronic cash transactions, and cash forecasting. It also provides features for in-house banking and cash reconciliation. Deal management. Oracle Treasury enables organizations to conduct and manage a variety of financial transactions, including foreign exchange, money market, and derivatives deals. It provides tools for trade execution, risk management, and settlement. Risk management. Oracle Treasury helps organizations identify, assess, and manage their financial risks. It provides features for market risk management, credit risk management, and liquidity risk management. Oracle Treasury is a highly scalable and flexible solution that can be configured to meet the specific needs of any organization. It is also integrated with other Oracle Financials applications, such as Oracle ERP and Oracle EPM, to provide a seamless end-to-end treasury management solution. Improved visibility and control. Oracle Treasury provides a single platform for managing all treasury operations, giving organizations a complete view of their cash flows, positions, and risks. This helps them to make better decisions and reduce operational costs. Reduced risk. Oracle Treasury helps organizations to identify and manage their financial risks more effectively. This can help them to avoid losses and protect their bottom line. Increased efficiency and productivity. Oracle Treasury automates many manual treasury tasks, freeing up staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. This can help organizations to improve their efficiency and productivity. Enhanced compliance. Oracle Treasury helps organizations to comply with complex financial regulations. This can help them to avoid fines and penalties. Features of Oracle Treasury. Oracle Treasury is an enterprise treasury management solution that helps organizations manage and control their cash flows, foreign exchange and money market deals, and overall risks. It provides comprehensive bank relationship management and settlement features, as well as flexible position reporting. Here are some of the key features of Oracle Treasury. Cash management. Oracle Treasury helps organizations manage their domestic and foreign cash flows, banking relationships, and electronic cash transactions. It also provides tools for short and long-term cash forecasting and in-house banking. Deal management. Oracle Treasury supports a broad range of financial instruments, including debt, investment, foreign exchange, equities, and derivatives. It provides automated deal administration, revaluation, accruals, accounting, and straight-through processing. Risk management. Oracle Treasury helps organizations proactively monitor and adjust currency and interest rate exposure across their entire enterprise. It also provides powerful limit controls, embedded policies, and native security. Oracle Treasury also offers a number of other capabilities, such as bank account management. Oracle Treasury helps organizations manage their bank accounts across multiple banks and geographies. It provides features for account setup, reconciliation, and reporting. Payments processing. Oracle Treasury provides a unified payments processing platform for all types of payments, including domestic and international wire transfers, checks, and ACH payments. Liquidity management. Oracle Treasury provides real-time, accurate, and consolidated information to help organizations manage their liquidity across geographies. Virtual account management. Oracle Treasury helps organizations manage complex global account structures and control working capital effectively. Uses of Oracle Treasury. Cash and liquidity management. Oracle Treasury provides real-time visibility into cash positions and forecasts, and helps you to centralize liquidity and act as an in-house bank to subsidiaries. Investment management. Oracle Treasury helps you to optimize your investment portfolio by providing tools for portfolio modeling, rebalancing, and reporting. Foreign exchange management. Oracle Treasury helps you to manage foreign exchange risk by providing tools for hedging, forecasting, and reporting. Debt management. Oracle Treasury helps you to manage your debt portfolio by providing tools for debt issuance, repayment, and risk management. Risk management. Oracle Treasury helps you to identify, assess, and manage financial risks, including market risk, credit risk, and operational risk. Oracle Treasury is used by a wide range of organizations, including banks. Oracle Treasury is used by banks to manage their own treasury operations, as well as to provide treasury services to their clients. Corporations. Oracle Treasury is used by corporations to manage their global treasury operations, including cash management, investment management, foreign exchange management, and debt management. Public sector organizations. Oracle Treasury is used by public sector organizations, such as governments and government agencies, to manage their finances and investments. Here are some specific examples of how Oracle Treasury can be used. A bank can use Oracle Treasury to manage its foreign exchange exposure by hedging its currency positions. A corporation can use Oracle Treasury to centralize its liquidity and act as an in-house bank to its subsidiaries. A public sector organization can use Oracle Treasury to manage its investment portfolio and ensure that its investments are aligned with its risk tolerance and investment goals. Key features: make smarter decisions, proactively control and adjust currency and interest rate exposure across your Complete enterprise while complying with your internal risk policies. Make instructed investing and borrowing decisions on a timely basis. Improve treasury operations, automate and simplify deal administration for debt, investments, foreign exchange, equities, and derivatives. Perform straight-through processing while imposing security and limit controls. Decrease external funds needs. Centralize liquidity and act as an in-house bank to subsidiaries. Administer intercompany loans and improve excess funds across the enterprise. What is Oracle Treasury? Oracle Treasury is a comprehensive solution for managing global treasury operations with improved efficiency, profitability, and control. It is a part of the Oracle E-Business Suite and integrates with other Oracle applications such as Oracle Financials Cloud and Oracle ERP Cloud. Oracle Treasury supports a broad range of financial instruments, including debt, investment, foreign exchange, equities, and derivatives. It provides a single platform for managing all aspects of treasury operations, including cash management. Oracle Treasury helps you to manage your global cash flows more efficiently and effectively. It provides real-time visibility into your cash positions and forecasts, and helps you to optimize your cash deployment. Risk management. Oracle Treasury helps you to identify, measure, and manage your treasury risks. It provides tools for managing foreign exchange risk, interest rate risk, and credit risk. Treasury accounting. Oracle Treasury automates your entire treasury accounting cycle, including mark-to-market valuation and accruals. It also provides integration with Oracle General Ledger, eliminating the need to build and maintain custom interfaces. Oracle Treasury is used by a wide range of organizations, including corporations, banks, and financial institutions. It is a popular choice for organizations that need a comprehensive and integrated treasury management solution. Is learning Oracle Treasury useful? Learning Oracle Treasury is useful. Oracle Treasury is a software solution that helps organizations manage their treasury operations, including cash management, risk management, and financial reporting. It is a widely used solution in the financial services industry, as well as in other industries such as retail, manufacturing, and healthcare. Having the skills to use Oracle Treasury can make you more marketable to potential employers. It can also help you advance your career in your current role. For example, if you are a financial analyst, knowing how to use Oracle Treasury can help you to better understand your company's financial position and make more informed decisions. Here are some of the benefits of learning Oracle Treasury. Increased job opportunities. Oracle Treasury is a widely used software solution, so having the skills to use it can make you more marketable to potential employers. Higher salaries. People with Oracle Treasury skills tend to earn higher salaries than those without these skills. Better career advancement. Knowing how to use Oracle Treasury can help you to advance your career in your current role. Better understanding of your company's financial position. If you are a financial analyst, Knowing how to use Oracle Treasury can help you to better understand your company's financial position and make more informed decisions. If you are interested in learning Oracle Treasury, there are a number of resources available to you. Oracle offers a variety of training courses, both online and in person. There are also a number of third-party training providers that offer Oracle Treasury training. In addition to training, you can also learn Oracle Treasury by using it on the job. If you have the opportunity to work with Oracle Treasury at your current job, take advantage of it. You can also learn Oracle Treasury by working on personal projects. For example, you could create a mock company and use Oracle Treasury to manage its treasury operations. Why choose Oracle Treasury? Oracle Treasury is an enterprise treasury management solution that helps organizations manage and control their cash flows, foreign exchange and money market deals, and overall risks. It provides comprehensive bank relationship management and settlement features, as well as flexible position reporting. Here are some of the key features of Oracle Treasury. Cash management. Oracle Treasury helps organizations manage their domestic and foreign cash flows, banking relationships, and electronic cash transactions. It also provides tools for short and long-term cash forecasting and in-house banking. Deal management. Oracle Treasury supports a broad range of financial instruments, including debt, investment, foreign exchange, equities, and derivatives. It provides automated deal administration, revaluation, accruals, accounting, and straight-through processing. Risk management. Oracle Treasury helps organizations proactively monitor and adjust currency and interest rate exposure across their entire enterprise. It also provides powerful limit controls, embedded policies, and native security. Is Oracle Treasury in demand? Oracle Treasury is in demand. It is a leading treasury management solution that helps organizations of all sizes streamline and automate their treasury operations, including cash management, debt management, investment management, foreign exchange management, and risk management. Oracle Treasury is in high demand for a number of reasons, including it is a comprehensive solution that covers all aspects of treasury management. It is highly scalable and can be used by organizations of all sizes. It is easy to use and implement. It is backed by Oracle's global support network. In addition, the demand for Oracle Treasury is being driven by a number of factors, including the increasing globalization of businesses, the growing complexity of financial markets, the increasing need for risk management, advantages of Oracle Treasury online training, convenience. Online training can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, at any time of day or night. This makes it ideal for busy professionals who may not have time to attend traditional classroom training sessions. Affordability. Online training is often less expensive than traditional classroom training. This is because there are no travel or accommodation costs associated with online training. Flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. You can pause and resume the training at any time, and you can review the material as many times as you need. Personalization. Online training can be personalized to meet your individual needs. For example, you can choose to focus on the specific topics that are most relevant to your job role. Interaction. Online training can be interactive, allowing you to participate in discussions and ask questions of the instructor. Access to the latest information. Oracle Treasury online training courses are regularly updated to reflect the latest changes to the Oracle Treasury software. This ensures that you are learning the most up-to-date information and best practices. Expert instruction. Oracle Treasury online training courses are taught by experienced Oracle Treasury professionals. This ensures that you are getting the highest quality instruction possible. Hands-on experience. Oracle Treasury online training courses typically include hands-on exercises and simulations. This gives you the opportunity to practice what you have learned in a real-world environment. Certification preparation. Oracle Treasury online training courses can help you prepare for the Oracle Treasury certification exams. This certification demonstrates your knowledge of Oracle Treasury and can help you advance your career. Features of Oracle Treasury online training. Flexibility. You can learn at your own pace and on your own time. There are no set schedules or deadlines, so you can fit your studies around your work and personal commitments. Convenience. You can access the training from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This makes it ideal for busy professionals who are always on the go. Interactivity. The training includes a variety of interactive elements, such as videos, quizzes, and hands-on exercises. This helps you to learn more effectively and retain the information better. Comprehensiveness. The training covers all aspects of Oracle Treasury, from basic concepts to more advanced features. This means that you can learn everything you need to know to use Oracle Treasury effectively in your role. Support. If you have any questions or problems during the training, you can get support from experienced Oracle instructors. This ensures that you get the help you need to succeed. Features of Oracle Treasury online training. Flexibility. You can learn at your own pace and on your own time. There are no set schedules or deadlines, so you can fit your studies around your work and personal commitments. Convenience. You can access the training from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This makes it ideal for busy professionals who are always on the go. Interactivity. The training includes a variety of interactive elements, such as videos, quizzes, and hands-on exercises. This helps you to learn more effectively and retain the information better. Comprehensiveness. The training covers all aspects of Oracle Treasury, from basic concepts to more advanced features. This means that you can learn everything you need to know to use Oracle Treasury effectively in your role. Support. If you have any questions or problems during the training, you can get support from experienced Oracle instructors. This ensures that you get the help you need to succeed. Real-world examples. The training includes real-world examples of how Oracle Treasury is used by businesses of all sizes. This helps you to understand how the system can be used to solve real-world problems. Hands-on exercises. The training includes a variety of hands-on exercises that allow you to practice using Oracle Treasury in a simulated environment. This helps you to gain practical experience with the system before you start using it in a production environment. Personalized learning paths. You can create a personalized learning path that focuses on the areas that are most relevant to you. This allows you to get the most out of your training and learn the skills that you need the most. Career opportunities in Oracle Treasury. Oracle Treasury is a comprehensive software solution that helps organizations manage their global treasury operations. It offers a wide range of features, including cash management, risk management, foreign exchange management, and investment management. There are a variety of career opportunities available in Oracle Treasury. Some of the most common roles include Treasury Analyst. Treasury analysts are responsible for analyzing and reporting on financial data. They also work on developing and implementing Treasury policies and procedures. Treasury Manager. Treasury managers oversee the day-to-day treasury operations of an organization. They are responsible for managing cash flow, risk, and investments. Controller. Controllers are responsible for overseeing the financial reporting and accounting functions of an organization. They also work with the treasury manager to manage the organization's financial risks. Assistant Treasurer. Assistant treasurers support the treasury manager in managing the organization's treasury operations. They may be responsible for specific tasks such as cash management, risk management, or foreign exchange management. Salary expectation in Oracle Treasury. According to AmbitionBox, the salary expectation in Oracle Treasury in India for an accountant role is between 5.9 lakhs rupees to 7.2 lakhs rupees per year. This is an estimate based on salaries received from employees of Oracle. However, the actual salary range can vary depending on a number of factors, including location. Salaries tend to be higher in major cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi. Experience. Employees with more experience tend to earn higher salaries. Skills and qualifications. Employees with in-demand skills and qualifications, such as experience with specific treasury management systems or certifications, tend to earn higher salaries. Job title. More senior job titles, such as Treasury Manager or Treasury Director, typically command higher salaries. Why choose ProExcellency for Oracle Treasury online training? Experienced and certified trainers. ProExcellency's trainers are experienced in Oracle Treasury and certified by Oracle. This means that they have the knowledge and skills to provide you with a comprehensive and high-quality training experience. Flexible and convenient learning options. ProExcellency offers self-paced and instructor-led online training options. This means that you can choose the learning option that best fits your needs and schedule. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency offers Oracle Treasury online training at a competitive price. Positive reviews. ProExcellency has received positive reviews from past students. Students have praised the quality of the training, the expertise of the trainers, and the flexibility of the learning options. Thank you.